Welcome to this week's AI News. You're watching AI and Cloud Weekly. I'm your narrator, and today we dive deep into the breakthroughs and challenges shaping February 2026. The landscape of artificial intelligence is moving at a velocity we've never seen before, fundamentally altering the fabric of our global digital economy. Our first major story: the end of traditional coding as we know it. Industry leaders predict a fundamental shift that could bypass legacy practices within months. This isn't just a trend. It's a transformation that could reshape the roles of over 27 million developers worldwide, redefining software engineering itself. Universities and IT giants are now racing to reimagine education and workforce planning to keep pace with this autonomous revolution. In the financial sector, Anthropic has secured unprecedented investment rounds, pushing its valuation into truly stratospheric territory. This funding cements their position among the elite titans of the AI industry, providing the capital needed for their next generation of frontier models. However, with great power comes growing scrutiny. Regulators are raising urgent concerns around algorithmic bias and ethical deployment practices. The public debate is intensifying, drawing increased attention to the balance between rapid innovation and international oversight. The conversation turns even more serious as we look at defense. Emerging reports detail AI deployment in complex military scenarios. This raises urgent questions about autonomous decision-making in critical situations and the inherent risks of removing human judgment from the loop. Global leaders are now scrambling to establish international risk frameworks to ensure AI remains a tool for progress rather than a catalyst for conflict. Shifting our focus to regional powerhouses, India has emerged as a dominant force in localized AI development. New models have achieved breakthrough accuracy across 15 regional languages, including Hindi, Tamil, and Bengali. This effort is democratizing technology access for over 1 billion people, positioning India as a critical player in the global AI landscape. Voice technology is also seeing a massive leap. Next-gen expressive synthesis can now capture human emotion and nuance with unprecedented realism. AI assistants are evolving from simple transactional tools into persistent personal agents, relationship-based collaborators that understand your context. These agents remember your preferences and adapt to your individual needs over time, becoming true partners in both work and life. In the world of research and engineering, AI is accelerating discovery at an unbelievable scale, particularly in physics and biology. Engineers can now convert hand sketches into production-ready 3D designs in seconds, compressing innovation cycles from months to days. Research teams are reporting tenfold productivity gains as AI handles the heavy lifting of simulation, modeling, and real-time optimization. But all this power requires massive infrastructure. Tech giants are pouring an unprecedented $180 billion into planetary-scale facilities. Over 50 new hyperscale data centers are currently under construction across North America, Europe, and Asia to power the next generation of models. Millions of new GPU clusters are being deployed, creating the backbone of a digital economy that is fundamentally shifting toward intelligence first. However, this expansion comes with a mounting environmental price. The energy demand of these AI workloads is now matching that of entire nations. Training large models produces carbon emissions equivalent to hundreds of transatlantic flights, while cooling these systems consumes millions of gallons of water. Reducing this impact is paramount. Practical strategies, such as using more precise prompts, can cut unnecessary computation and energy use by up to 40%. Choosing appropriately sized, lighter models for routine tasks is another critical step in minimizing our collective ecological footprint. By drafting in lower resolutions and only rendering final outputs at full quality, developers can significantly minimize processing demands. Looking at the bigger picture, automation is redefining work at an unprecedented speed, creating new roles while reshaping existing careers. Generative AI is becoming a collaborative partner in artistic, scientific, and commercial innovation, amplifying human creativity rather than replacing it. But responsibility remains paramount. The choices we make today about ethics and sustainability will determine whether AI uplifts or disrupts civilization. We stand at a pivotal moment. The decisions regarding AI development and deployment will echo for generations to come. At AI and Cloud Weekly, we are committed to bringing you the most accurate and insightful analysis of these transformative technologies. Our goal is to help you navigate this complex landscape and stay ahead of the crowd in an increasingly intelligent world. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue quality AI journalism and spread awareness across the globe. Visit the news every week to stay ahead of the crowd and updated with the latest in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.